Hi friends, Miss Janet from the Stouffville Library. I just thought we should do another craft. So I was trying to get a good idea and I looked out in my backyard and I saw these beautiful yellow flowers growing on my grass. So I went out and I picked a few. So you can see some are bigger, some are smaller, and I'm sure you have them all around your house too, maybe out on the boulevard, if not in your backyard or on your grass. But there's lots of these flowers, and I'm sure you all know that these are called dandelions. So after they have been making a beautiful show with the yellow flowers, then they go to seed. And I even was fortunate enough that there was one that I could pick that has gone to seed. So it looks like that, just like a big ball of fluff. And you can blow it, but I'm not going to do that in my house. So I thought we should make a picture with dandelions. So the beautiful flowers, so yellow and included in your photo, you could have one that's gone to seed. So then I came back inside with these beautiful flowers and I got out some paper. So I chose a piece of green paper and I found some yellow paint and I found some white paint. So white is for the dandelion that's gone to seed and the yellow is for the beautiful flowers. And then I found a green marker and a brown marker, but you might have brown paint and green paint, but I didn't at my house. So the first thing I did, or you could do, if you have paint, you could put paint on your finger and just put some spots on your paper. Use green to make your stem, and then you're going to use the yellow paint and the white paint to make dandelions that you would see in your yard. So here's the picture that I made. So I have some of the beautiful yellow dandelions and I have one that's gone to seed and it's starting, the seeds are starting to blow away in the breeze. So for the yellow, with my yellow paint, I got a fork and I dipped my fork into the yellow paint and then I made my yellow flowers with paint on my fork. So just like one of these dandelions, you can see that it all goes out kind of like what you would see if you used your fork. So you can make those petals with your fork. And then for the one that has gone to seed, I dipped a Q-tip into my white paint. And I made the seeds with the Q-tip on my paper. So there I have one dandelion that's gone to seed and some other dandelions that are just still showing off their beautiful yellow flower. So I thought that would be a good idea if you even wanted to go and collect some dandelions and make a little bouquet, because they can look pretty on your table, and then you can make a picture that shows the dandelions that are growing in your yard or out on the boulevard, wherever you see dandelions. So I hope that you can have fun making a dandelion picture with paint or markers, whatever you have at your house. You just need white and yellow, brown and green. Pretty simple, and you can make a photo that looks like your yard or your boulevard, and you can enjoy maybe having some flowers right on your table when you eat your lunch today. You can have a little bouquet of dandelions that are making a bright little spot on your table, because the yellow is absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you have fun making a photo of dandelions either out in full flower, or maybe all your dandelions have gone to seed. Maybe you just are going to use white and use a Q-tip to go dot, 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 dot on your picture. So have fun making a photo of dandelions today, and I will see you back soon with another simple idea. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye for now.